So I'm using medium worsted yarn and an 8mm crochet hook. You can use a smaller size hook if you wish, from 5mm to 8, or the one recommended in the label. We'll start with a slip knot as always. And I will chain 4. I will work 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 incomplete double crochet, and then another incomplete double crochet, and I will join. First double V-stitch, and again yarn over, insert the hook into the space, pull through 2 and stop. Work another incomplete double crochet the same way. Okay, you have 3 loops, and then pull through all now, and then chain 1 and repeat. Pull through 2, work another incomplete double crochet, 3, pull through all, another double V-stitch. So 1, 2, we have to have 6. Work an incomplete double crochet, another 1, pull through all, chain 1, repeat 1, 2, pull through all, again 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, 3. So how many do we have? 1 V-stitch, 2 V-stitch, 3, 4, 2 more. So chain 1, chain 1, now I have 6 V-stitches. I will join to the beginning chain. So I've got my first round complete. Now on to the second round. I'm gonna chain 3. I will work in the chain 1 spaces. So what I'm gonna do now to expand the round, I'm gonna make double V-stitch, chain 1, double V-stitch twice in the chain 1 space. So yarn over, insert my hook into the space, work an incomplete double crochet, repeat again, pull through all, that's my first double V-stitch, chain 1, repeat again, That's a complete one. And then I'll repeat again. Double V stitch, chain 1, double V stitch. And I will do that in every space for this round. This way. I will repeat in the next chain 1 space. And another one in the same space till the end of the round. And here I'm at the end of my round, and I will join to the initial chain 3 space. And this is how it looks so far. Now in the next round I will start alternating. So in one space I will make the double V stitch, which is double V chain 1 double V, and then again repeat in the same space. In the next space I will make only once double V stitch, chain 1 double V stitch, and I will alternate. In the next one I will repeat the double V stitch twice, and in the next one the double V stitch once, like so, until the end of the round. And I'm gonna chain 3 first. Now this is my first space, double V stitch, chain 1, double V, and repeat the same in the same space without chaining 1. Okay, chain 1, and again in the same space. So I've got a double here. Now in the following space, which is this one, I'm gonna make it only once. So double V stitch, chain 1, double V stitch. That's it. Like this. And now in the next space I will repeat the same as this one. Double V stitch twice, and then a single one, and I will alternate till the end of the round. So to expand the round or the circle. Okay, the next round just once. Like so. We're done with the third row. Now on to the fourth row, and I'm gonna explain how it's gonna be till the end of the work. So again we start with the double V stitch twice in the same space. So here's the space. I'll make a double V stitch, chain 1, double V-stitch, and repeat in the same space. And in the next space, just a single double V-stitch, chain 1, and double V. The same thing in the next space, single double V-stitch, and in the next space I will repeat the first one, double V-stitch twice in the same space. Like this. So basically one space is double V-stitch twice, and the next two spaces is a single V-stitch like this one, and we repeat V-stitch twice, and then next two spaces single V-stitch. For the next round we'll increase the single V-stitches by 1, so it was 2 here, it will be 3 in the next round, and then 4 in the next round, means in the next 4 stitches, and then in the next round in the next 5 stitches, and so on. Again, look at the pattern so you will follow clearly with the video. It is a step-by-step pattern where you will not be lost or mistaken with the rounds. So I will continue with the next 2 spaces with the single double V-stitch, and then I will repeat the double V-stitch twice in the next one. I will come back to show you later how it all looks like and explain further. So this is how the blankets looks like at the end after around 26 rounds, and this is the end result. So you can make it bigger or smaller, it depends on you, but the look of it in with the double V-stitch in rounds is really nice. I hope you also like it. All the details of this pattern will be linked in the description box for the written pattern, and all information related as well. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section, and until next time, take care, bye bye.